Place value is one of the biggest hurdles in early math. Introducing the place value flip decomposition cards. These cards are designed around the concrete pictorial abstract progression. Each card is a visual representation of place value, making it a great step between base 10 blocks and abstract thinking. Each box includes a comprehensive guide showing all the standards the cards meet. For example, take the subtraction equation. Place value flip cards make subtraction with regrouping a breeze. Instead of trading base 10 blocks, students can write directly on the cards with dry erase markers to show their work. The cards also make building an area model simple for multiplication. Each card represents a partial product, making the structure of multi-digit multiplication easy to see. By combining the hundreds, tens, and ones in the area model, students will find the total product, no blocks needed. The list of concepts practiced with these cards goes on. It is one tool you can use for your whole place value unit. Place value flip cards are perfect for grades K through 4. When students can hold the math in their hands, they stop guessing and start understanding. That's the flip that matters. Shop place value flip decomposition cards at Didax today.